engine. Yeah, it sounds quite nice. I don't know what the original exhaust sounds like, because it never came with the original. I prefer the one I've got on now, to be quite honest, to anything that might have been original. Okay, but for £35 for it, you can't really grumble. I think I should have brought my leathers, one of my leather pants. It's getting a bit bloody nippy now. Oh, what else I did for the bike was I've got LED indicators on it with running lights. Just give you that little bit more visibility. And I got some little spotlights for what's supposed to be for a car. Little running lights, and I've got them on as well. So it just gives you that bit more visibility. And spotlights for the car. There's only something like £7 for 12, something like that, from eBay. Yeah, I've also put them in my garden now as well. So it's running off my solar panel system, 12 volt solar panel system. Well, it's free energy, isn't it? So yeah, it's a good little bike. Does what I need it to. It's really came with a 13-tooth front sprocket on it, and it just flew. Really did fly, but it only maxed out. It maxed out at 55 mph. So, well, that's indicated. I've yet to put my GPS on it, but my GPS, when I'm doing 80 in the car, says that I'm doing 73 anyhow, so it's GPS is and exactly spot on. There is a big gap in accuracy on speed with GPS as well. Come on. Oh my goodness. It's nice to wear the birds tweeting. Show me age now. I'm hoping to do my test this year at some point before it all changes and gets much harder. I know the CPP is due to changing. They're proposed what they're doing. I think the CPP is a good idea for young kids that haven't got much road sense. You know, people that have never rode a bike before, things like that. But yeah, I think for older, more mature people like myself that have got, well, how many categories are on the licences, PCV, car, 7.5 tonner, you know, stuff like that. When you've got quite a few of them, I don't think they should have to do the theory or hazard perception. Winds me up. You can get 5 points for this, but you can't tell if it's a pixel, if it's a person or a car or a bus, because it's just a pixel. What's merged into many others. You know, the quality of the videos is absolutely shite on the hazard perception. It's a waste of time, really, because it's nothing like real life. You know, you're concentrating on, you know, is, you want anybody coming up to it in these cars, is there anybody in the cars, running the cars, you know, stuff like that. Not going to pull out in front of you. Got somebody behind me which is nearly in the cycle lane, so you got all this lot going on, and you can't account for your environment around you on the video clips. No, you're more aware when you're actually on the road, so you can just about second guess people, whereas on a video, a low resolution video, what's supposed to be high resolution, you know, you can't see as far into the distance on them clips as what you can sort of like actually sat here riding a bike. You know, I think that before they actually introduce anything like that, they should have had somebody there with a scrap of common sense about it and thought, right, we'll wait until technology improves so you can actually see things actually, you know, what's further up the road, you know, the hazards, before they actually get too close to you, or potential hazards. Yeah, but, you know, that's just my grumbles on it. I do think they should be in there for young kids, like, it's like my daughter who's 18, she passed hers last year, total lack of confidence she had, and, you know, it was good to be sat in a group and them all be doing the same exercises together and things like that, just to boost the confidence and to say, yeah, you're doing it right, or slap your wrist, you're doing it wrong. It's a good thing for kids that young. I mean, people like myself, what have been riding for many years, Japanese, Chinese bikes, all sorts of different, you know, all different types of bikes. You know, they don't make too much sense. And see, if they want to reduce the deaths on the road, educate bloody car drivers, because that's 90% of the problem when you're on a bike, is car drivers. And BMW drivers. You know, BMWs are just dick extensions. The dick being sat in the driver's seat, the extension being the car. I'm only saying that because I've been nearly took out by quite a few of them. You know, happily motoring along, next thing you know, you got one on your side of the road coming straight for you, or going through a gap that you're already going through. But yeah, anyhow, yeah, that's me for now. Well, you know what they say, that going up and down curbs can knock your forks out of alignment. I wonder what these speed bumps do for your damage they do. Yeah, some of them are really, really, really steep and not very good in the slightest. I know that in my car there some of them, especially the I forgot the name street, Worthing Street, you can't even do 10 mile an hour over them, or even 7 mile an hour, because they're that vicious. You know, you do 20 and fucking all you take air. There we go, that's the idiots. That's it flying over it's flying over them. You've got no control if the kid walks out between the cars. Fucking idiots. Yeah, now 121.9. Jesus. And a giraffe. State of the roads these days. All this roundabout is a pain in the arse, especially on peak hours. Peak hours, it's, you know, rush hour, it's murder. It's not too bad at this time of night. A little later, that slippy man will cover that. People riding on the pavement. As you can tell, I don't like to rev the tits off my bike. Yeah, it has got the power there if I need it. It's just very rare I need it. Yeah, it's getting a bit nippy now. This bloody helmet's noisy.